Today we're going to learn how to create a Google folder and share it with me. We're also going to learn how to set up your blog. Your first step is to go to Google. Make sure that you are signed in to Chrome. If you see the sign in box instead of your email address, click the sign in and then enter your password. Once you've done this, this is your personalized Chrome page. From my Google, I will click this Google Apps icon and I'm going to select Drive. Once I'm in Google Drive, I have all of my folders that I've already created, as well as some quick access to some of the documents that I've opened most recently. It's a good idea to have a folder for each of your main subjects, or you can do one folder for each school year, and then you add in folders inside of folders. But for today, you need to click New, and then Folder. This folder is going to be the folder where you place all of your AP English work. I would like you to title it with your first initial, last name, dash, AP English. So for me, it would be M period Cooley dash AP English. Once you've done that, you click Create. Here's my new folder. Make sure that it is highlighted and then go over and click the Share button, which looks like a person with a plus next to it. You want to share this folder with me. So you're going to type in the first part of my email address, and then you will select me. Select the email address that does not have the apps attached to it. I don't need to be able to edit your files, so you can change this just to view. Right here, where it has notify people, this will send me an email telling me that you've shared the folder with you. I do not want my email to be filled with 130 different emails telling me that all of my students have shared their folders. So if you will please unclick or uncheck that box, and then you should have something that looks like this, and you just tell it okay. You're going to skip sending invitations. I do not want an email. And then that's it. You'll see this little box pop up, shared with one person. So now you've shared that folder. If you'll go ahead and do a search of your drive looking for your summer reading assignment and then move it to this folder, that'd be great. I'm going to show you how to do that just using a plain file. So if you go up here and you click summer reading, it'll pull up all your documents that have something to do with summer reading. Some of your names were going to pop up here because you've shared your summer reading with me previously. I'm going to choose this document. Sorry about that. I'm going to choose this document, and I want to move this to that folder I just created. So I'm going to go to this icon, which is the Move To. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to say I want to go to my drive, and now I want to find that folder I just created. Here it is, M. Cooley, AP English, and I'm going to put that. It tells me my folder is empty, but I'm now going to move this document there. It's going to tell me I'm moving it out of one folder and moving it into this folder. At that point, now if I go to open that folder, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to look for my folder. There it is. Inside the folder should be the document I just placed in there. So every one of you now, anytime you do any assignment, you can place it in this folder. The easiest way to do that is to just start by going to your folder. So from your drive, you find that folder. Let's see where it is. You scroll through, find that folder. Here it is. I'm going to open it. And now whenever I want to create a new document, I'm going to go to the new once I'm already inside my folder. So I press new, and now I can say I want a new Google Doc. And let's say this is an essay or an assignment or something like that. I'm going to type it. I'm going to come up here, give it a title. This is my new document. Anytime I want to make sure I know where this is, I can click this folder icon and it's going to tell me where it is. As you can see, this document I just created is already inside that folder, M. Cooley. Now, I shared that folder with the teacher, me, Miss Cooley, And so any document that you create for our class, if you just make the document inside the folder, it is automatically shared with me without you having to reshare each document one by one. And so that's the way I would like us to organize our class this year. Any assignment that you type up, whether it's test corrections or rhetorical précis or anything at all that we do in class where you're typing up something to be turned in or to be shared, I want you to put it inside this folder, and that will keep you organized. It also makes it very easy for me to find your assignments. Thank you.